Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Flokita token. Now I did a video a long time ago on Flokita CEO, and this is not that token. This is a new token just called Flokita. That is the name and the ticker symbol, and this is a brand new pre-sale that's about to start in under a day here on Pinksale.finance. I am going to leave a link to the pre-sale in the description box and in the comment section down there so you guys can easily find this project. It's a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. It's on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20 token. They have a full audit, KYC, and we're going to go over the information on the Flokita token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, like I said, is brand new. Pre-sale is about to start soon, within the next few hours or so. There is links down below to the pre-sale. Now, they were audited by Interfi Network, and you can view the full PDF of that audit on Pinksale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to Pinksale to verify who they are for security reasons. They have a webpage, Flokita.cx. Over there, you can find a full white paper. They also have a Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here, at Miss Flokita. Has a link to their webpage right there. 314 followers so far, 7 tweets. It says, Flokita is a community-driven, decentralized meme token with a dedicated team pushing and developing behind the scenes to make this the biggest grow coin of 2024. So, and then they have a Telegram, which has 109 subscribers so far at Flokita_portal. So check that out as well. Now, it says base team, previous project that they did 128 times all-time high with 2 million volume. High-level marketing, #1 trading on Twitter, DexView, DexTools, Aave, Tier 1 KOLs, non-stop shilling on Twitter and Telegram, central exchange listings confirmed, no team tokens, no private sale. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here of 420 trillion tokens. Public pre-sale with a max contribution of 2 BNB. Initial market cap estimate is $6,057. So soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 10 BNB, and there is no hard cap. So pre-sale will just continue basically until time runs out. Pre-sale is going to start exactly February 27th, 15 hours UTC time, and it's going to go until February 29th, 20 hours UTC time. So it's a 2-day, 5-hour pre-sale. Now, if you miss this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Flokita token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Flokita.cx. Now, you may have to set slippage. Let's just scroll down here. So there is a 5% buy and sell tax. So you're going to have to set your slippage around 5% for buy, sells, and maybe transfers. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 90 days. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, 43.64% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 21.81% of the tokens go to liquidity, 33.66% of the tokens get burnt, and 0.87% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, there is a free quick light audit by BlockSeifu in the discussion section. There's no bad warnings on it. It just says owner can't mint new tokens, can't blacklist, can't put fees over 10%, cannot set max transaction amount, cannot pause trading, and no proxy contracts. So all good check marks there. Now, it says here, Flokita is a meme coin project built on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20 token that aims to create a fun and engaging community centered around memes and cryptocurrency. Our mission is to provide a platform for meme enthusiasts to connect, share, and participate in meme-related activities while also exploring the potential of blockchain technology. So, they do have, reflections there. And now, so their roadmap. So I didn't tell you how the taxes are split up. So 5 and 5 taxes. So basically 2% of that is reflections. And then we have 1% of that going to marketing and 2% buyback and burn. So you do get reflections for hodling the token. And then they have the roadmap starting with phase 1, the launch phase. Our journey begins with an exciting project launch on the Binance Smart Chain. We introduce Flokita to the world, laying the foundation for the meme coin revolution. Phase 2 is going to be the community building phase. During this phase, we focus on fostering a strong and engaged community. We actively connect with meme enthusiasts, host events, and initiate giveaways to build a vibrant Flokita community. Phase 3 is contests. So they're going to have some contests come out in this phase. We unleash the power of creativity. We launch exciting meme contests and challenges, encouraging our community to showcase their talent and humor. Get ready for some epic memeing. Phase 4 is the global expansion phase. We set our sights on global reach through strategic partnerships and increased accessibility. We expand the Flokita ecosystem to a wider audience, making meme coin history on a global scale. So check it all out, Flokita.cx. Check out their socials. Like I said, I am going to leave links to the pre-sale down there in the comment section and in the description box, so go check those out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.